Hi.
Hi.
Did you know that yesterday I had a mental breakdown?
Good start.
Today I need to be on the stage, and yesterday I had mental breakdown. But there is a big thought about this situation. I wasn't alone. I had a team. I had my girls with me, and they encouraged me to come there and speak on a stage no matter what happens in my life. So that is what regional sisters brings together. We have a team who supports us in our situations, in different kinds of situations, and that's not much of tech things, but the biggest part of that is people behind the tech. So, and that's the thing that we're working on regional aspects. So, that's about me. I'm in Vidzeme Tech Girls about 5 years. It will be anniversary. But we have Eva. She's dinosaurs. We call it dinosaurs. So Eva is from
the beginning.
First meeting. So that's when Eva come in Vidzeme Tech Girls. She knows the all history. I'm just a newcomer.
No, not newcomer, but some years you have experience. Okay, I introduce with myself. I am Eva. I am a Vidzeme Tech Girls from already 8 years, almost 8 years. And as Via said yesterday, and right now I am a Vidzeme Tech Girls dinosaur. I have seen a lot of events, and it was a great experience, and will be. Why am I here? And why Vidzeme Tech Girls? Because I realized that I like to be in the middle somewhere, and it is like middle between technologies, IT, and people. And it is a great feeling to feel this and encourage people to go and know more about technologies, maybe change even their careers. It is a great feeling. As in my work, actually, I am lead IT recruiter. I work for a recruitment agency working there, Latvia, and I'm there again, in the middle, and I am between companies and IT specialists, and I encourage them to change their career paths and go, just go, like similar with Vidzeme Tech Girls.
Yeah, but what we want to mention is that if there wasn't Riga Tech Girls 10 years ago, then Vidzeme Tech Girls, we don't exist. We wouldn't be here. So and why it happens, because it was a spark which comes out from people, from women who want to see other women, and women better understand each other. As in my situation yesterday, with child situations, with career situations, with tech situations, and that's what brings us all together. And this spark from Riga Tech Girls is what alived Vidzeme Tech Girls. And not to tell all about us too, we will tell a bit more about Vidzeme Tech Girls, what we have done, and why we are there. As I mentioned before, it's not a story only about tech, it is about people behind that, and people who grow. And the thing what we want to bring is learning something new, digital skills, maybe mental breakdown, how to take a next step after it. So that's what we do. Confidence. It is not easy to come on a stage, and you all understand. In regions, we have not so much big stage, so it is a new way of how to get confidence and gain courage to come and do things that you don't do in everyday life. And about opportunities, of course, if Riga Tech Girls will not have not asked us to come there, so we have not these opportunities, and that's about me, how I get in these communities. That I had my 8 to 5 work, but I understand that it is not enough. Something is missing. I have not spark in my life. And that's when I came to Iepazīsti Technologies. And after this program, it feels like I finally find a way how to live my life. And after this program that changed my life, I joined different others, and look now, after 5 years, I'm the lead of regional Vidzeme Tech Girl, and my heart is burning for Riga Tech Girl, Vidzeme Tech Girl. Yes, that's about opportunities, and yeah, community is the thing that brings us together. About our vision to be leading on organization in region. So we are doing this to bring more this for women, more different space. I forgot. Opportunities, yeah, thank you. Our mission is to support, to be together, because when you are alone, it is very, very hard to experience every day. So together with the team, it is more, as you heard before, it's more easier. Thank you, Eva is there, because mental breakdown will be on the stage as well. So
do it, Via, you can do it.
Yeah, she all the time helps me with that. So the mission is to help one to other, and target audience is anyone. But yeah, they're more about girls because men have different options, but women have not so much, so that's why our heart beats for women. But we give experience to everyone. Where we are, you can see that our region is covered because we have different places where we make our different. What's actual different? It can be panel discussions, it can be learning experience. I will tell a bit more about that. But also, we as team coming from different places in Vidzeme region as well. I'm coming from Valmiera. Ieva covers Cēsis. Yes. Yeah, we have Cēsis, Dana as well, and Olga. We have a Madara. There, yeah, mother is from Sigulda, so we not only give a chance for Vidzeme region, but we live in Vidzeme region, so we are on the place and we know what's actual in this region. If we speak about what is in our everyday, then we wanted to show that there can be different tasks, different what we offer to our community. It can be about everyday digital skills, about IT tools. It is must have everyone. It's about, of course, IE everywhere. We had the great experience with IE course for teachers when Dana used her spark in for teachers and give more opportunities for teachers to learn about IE. As well, we have, of course, my area, data analytics. There is what interests to me the best. Software testing is, but most of them, all these events is about what we care. We as a team together, coming together, talk about what's actual in our lives. And there we find that sparkle, what to do next. And that's why this events, different events is coming out. And about community and inspiration, there is different networking, hiking as well. And we, of course, have this conference in Lampa in Cēsis, where we every year are there and feeling the touch life in Vidzeme region. So it's different, covers different tasks and different. And if we talk about impact numbers, because in every presentation must be numbers, so here you have. It's about last years. It's not for our period. It's only the last years, actual years. This year we are in progress yet, so it is read or follow our Facebook page and see what's next. But if we speak about 2 last years, there is much of things happened in our region. We have more than 219 participants. And you must understand, it's not thousands, but we understand that every participant have devoted 1, 2, 3 hours of his life to participate in our like what we have created. So it's much of time. We had 16 teaching sessions, covered 7 municipalities. If you follow us, you can read and see more about what we have done. We have had technical college career weeks. We're working with young people as well, not only with women. We're working with bibliotecaries in technologies, modern libraries. So it's one more, it's in different tasks. As I mentioned before, we had this ME for teachers, who write it there? There we covered in Cēsis in Valmiera, more than 50 teachers come and learn more about AI and how to use, because they now, people in schools already using it, they need to understand how to make it out of this the best. And as well, we had the young conference in Smiltene. So as you can see, there are different events in different places in the region. And that's about 2 years, but we had much of things before. We had how to build in a long time ago, how to build a web page. We had test data to understand how this profession works. And of course, there is much of thing about how you get out of your comfort zone and do things that you can't, you think you can, but you can if you try. You just need the courage to try. That's about what we're doing. And as I mentioned, every event starts with a single conversation and creates new connections. We think what we love and find this love, and others understand that, yes, that's what we want. And now, to understand, not talking all time, just us, me, sorry, but you are doing your work very well. I'm feeling...
I'm supporting.
So we want to not make this just like a businessy conference, but like a festival. We want to give you an option to understand which type of those are you. There are different types of people in tech, but if you don't understand, and part of our work as Vidzeme Tech Girl is to help people to understand what they want, because if you know what you want, you can find what to learn, where to learn, but if you don't understand what's that thing that you like the best, and let's hope that this maybe can find you new career, because the career change is one of the topics what covered in our tasks as well. Yeah, to speak much about that, there are different, security specialists, very cybersecurity is a top 1 topic right now, innovators, so let's understand which one of these are you. you just don't be, oh no, again you want to something answer and then no answer to me, what was the result? Now, this isn't this. You have to answer only 6 simple questions, and you need just no writing at all. Just tick what you choose, and we will bring out the results out of this. So that's the option for you. I will share QR code. You can see there is a Canva, and we want to bring a community vibe on a paper. Let's see how it goes. But I already know that there will be a big art. No one can repeat this art. So I will share the QR code and you can join. And what's the thing that we can bring for people who care about Vidzeme, about tech, about how to step out of comfort zone? That's what we can bring to you. Mostly there is no need for technical knowledge. We can learn together every step. And what we can offer is practical digital skills for everyday life and work. Community, as mentioned before. We can offer, together with Riga, we have a very good mentor, this database, so we can offer that as well, and contacts. It's so good that I see every people and everyone have seen everyone somewhere, so it's like, so many friends together, so it's good feeling today. And yes, clear next step, because you can't learn things if you don't set a step. What will you do? So you need just to find this step. How you can join and how you can help us to bring our goal. So in action, this is become a member, learn, participate, and grow with us. Second, become a lecturer. Everyone who have experience in some kind of touchy field, they can join and help others, as well as mentors who just can lead the way to find yourself. And partners, because we have, as mentioned before, different places, different these events, so you can join like that. And facilities is one more thing that you can join and give the new engine for Vidzeme TechGirl. And as promised, there's QR code you can scan. And after you answer the questions, there are not much of questions.
6.
6. And 7th is you need to write something, but it can be in one word. So what you want from Riga TechGirls, Vidzeme TechGirls in next 10 years. So just describe in one word. So that's about what we want to do and bring out. This is festival, so don't sit all the time. We are encouraging you to understand what is your answer, and after the answer is clear, which type of, which vibe, because there can be different vibes for different time of period in life. So let's clear out this festival vibe. And this vibe will be presented there. The main thing that you must understand, which of the 6 roles you are feeling today, and set your fingerprint on role that you cleared out. Our team, Rita and Madara, will help you. There are different colors, and just take and make your fingerprint, and it's for this situation, it's only starting point because we, of course, will not take this stage forever. We will bring the time for other regional Tech Girls. But the main thing, yeah, what we wanted to say that this picture presents what Riga Tech Girl is. We can be very different, with different tech roles, with different thinking, with different actual things in life. But somehow we take our hands together and going in one direction. And that's what describes the Riga Tech Girls vibe. And I hope that you will find your role. How was your answer, Eva, to give your word?
I was a cybersecurity guy. But I would like to add that this Canva will be as a present to Riga Tech Girls, and it is opportunity to put your fingerprint as a gift. Yeah. You're welcome.
Yeah, that's what we want to visualize is the whole community in one paper and bring as present to Riga Tech Girls. And let's see. So many questions that you can't understand? Too hard? No, it can't be. You must think.
Lots to think.
We promise there are no calculations and name all presidents of Latvia. No, there is not so hard questions. Just about your life, how you feel, what is your... and as I said before, it can be today one answer, tomorrow different answer, and vibe for today is one. So let's bring it out. Maybe someone already have filled it and can answer loud, or it is secret. Is there anyone who is ready to present his role or her? Oh yeah,
come here.
Come, say, what's your role? Eva will give you a microphone. And let's put the first fingerprint. Yeah!
So the quiz said I'm a data detective. It's kind of good since I am data analyst, so...
Yeah, we are buddies. We know that your role, what's the best. Yeah, just to make it... Yeah. Ta-da-da-da! It's history, it's recorded, so you can't change it.
Thank you. We have data detective. Who will be next? We need architect, security.
Feel the situation, just go and do the thing.
I'm data detective also.
Again.
Oh,
okay.
data detectives are the main.
Green.
Yeah. Good one.
Okay,
It's festival.
thank you.
Get up. Let's do it.
I'm a builder.
Oh, good. Builder is red one.
As I mentioned before, this can be done. We will be there out, and you can feel after.
I'm architect.
Yes, we
Yeah.
have architect. Architect yellow.
There was a prognose that will be different roles.
For you.
So
Architect.
Yes, again architect. One more architect. Great. For you?
And you? Another architect.
Okay.
we promise there is 6 roles. You can see right now.
Okay. And you?
Again.
Architect. Okay, very popular.
Data team is losing the chance.
We can put them together and we'll be data architect. What are you?
Let's
Security
improvise.
specialist.
Yes, that's mine.
Right.
Green, not green, blue, sorry.
Nice one.
Okay, thank you. Who are you?
What
Designer, we have designer.
Yeah.
Purple.
First commerce. I wanted to mention that right
are you?
now it is
I'm a
only
builder.
Builder, yeah.
Yeah, visual presentation is happening right now in live. It's there, and no one can repeat this. But
are you?
after
have
you come
everything
in
that the data detective-
where we are,
detective,
we will
great.
present the data behind this because we record every position that you fill in.
you?
And
I'm a
after,
designer.
we will visualize
Let's go.
our
You
community,
are purple.
which
Yes.
are the roles, what the leads in our community in this events vibe. So don't lose the chance, and let's see what is the people behind Tech, what
Okay, who are
Riga
you?
Tech Girls
Designer
brings
and
together.
innovator. Okay, both of them. Okay, I like innovator. First one.
Nice one.
Yes, purple. And this is this one. Pink.
Maybe someone is ready to tell, is it true? Do you feel that? Or it is only this answers how you answer it? Maybe. When you know that what is the goal, yeah? Where the result? You are saying that you will change the answers because you know what to do. Now, there is no right or wrong answers. Just tick what you feel by heart. And sometimes it is hard to understand what your heart is thinking. So I have been there, have had this feeling, because when I joined this EPSIS Technologies, I didn't know everything. My thought was that it's programming, and of course it's not for me. But after, when I go out the course and understand what's behind there, that's the reason why I joined the Riga Tech Girls with the Tech Girls, because I find my sparkle in data analytics. I didn't know. Actually, I had different tasks, different projects with Excel. I'm a HR specialist in every day, so I have had done this already, but have not thinking that's the data analytics. So that's what Riga Tech Girls is doing. They help to understand what you are doing, what you like to do, and that's what clears out. And maybe that's not about so much where to learn, but to understand what to learn. And in this environment, then everyday rush is so big, you have no time to think about what you're feeling, what's your next goal. And that's the mission behind Wisdom and Tech Girls, that we give this moment. You have these options, maybe think about which is the best for you. And that's what we are bringing out in regions, that there is much of things happening in the world. There is not just 8 to 5 work day and go home and see your kids and come back tomorrow. You need to find your sparkle, because when you find the sparkle, it's pretty clear that your eyes are on that, and sparkle, you as a person sparkle, and the results in, as well is on a different level. So I think we will ask other person to bring more, but if you're interested in data, we have data behind that, then you can come to us, and I will show you the design of how a Riga Tech Girl and Wisdom Tech Girl person looks like. It's more designers or more architects, but as I mentioned before, tomorrow it maybe can change. So we are as different as a community, and let's bring us together. Maybe someone else who want to share, is it clear? Is it good? Is it actual, what you feel?
Could be.
Could be. Could be. Okay. continue this work out there while baby is sleeping, or baby is sleeping, yes. And then let's feel our vibe. Yep.
Okay, I think we will be there somewhere.
Let's
I
see.
think. Yeah.
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 But you will find us, and if any question, we can like contact. We have this Facebook page, and as you can see, Instagram, LinkedIn. We can find everywhere us, and we would happy to help you with your questions, because especially in regional, because only by being in region you understand what's hearts to region people, and we have this feeling that even Latvia is quite small, but anyway, different regions have different actual things, what to do, what to bring, and we met our sisters in this event and talking about what's actual, and already understand that some of us have like good feeling about artificial intelligence. Some of us thinking that we are behind. So it's different from different region, and our mission is to bring technology to help people in every day and like understand where the pain is. So let's bring regions together, every region, every people, and let's be team. Yep.
Okay,
So
and the end.
we will waiting you there.
And the last sentence, happy birthday to Riga Tech Girls.